Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. Tomorrow, Shiba Inu coin might burst. Get ready for this SHIB price forecast. In the past week, Shiba Inu has surged by an incredible 50% as SHIB recovers from the devastating crypto crashes of the past month. Following a precipitous decline to 0.0000789 USD on June 19th, SHIB has added another zero to its value and is now up 53% over the previous week. The possibility that tomorrow's Shiba Inu coin will explode is discussed in this video. This is a SHIB price prediction, so get ready. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. Take a look at what Shiba Inu is up to on June 30th. Following the successful push of the Bitcoin price below the $20,000 level by bears, prospects for a crypto market recovery remain dim. Data from CoinMarketCap shows that the entire market cap of cryptocurrencies fell 4% in the past 24 hours, reaching $884 billion. Ethereum fell 6.7% as it traded just above the $1,000 mark, a psychological barrier. Among the top cap cryptocurrencies, according to Eunice Leo's 0 Times and Shiba Inu coin, all gained between $1 and 4% over that time. The idea that the crypto marking would reverse its recent gains passed a critical hurdle. The same holds true for altcoins, whose total market cap is now close to its early 2018 lows, and Bitcoin, which has been testing $12,000 for some time. Despite showing signs of strength in recent days, Shiba Inus were still vulnerable to more losses, as a descending triangle formed by lower highs and relatively equal lows suggested further declines. As a result of the bears' downward pressure, bulls have been selling, and the price has fallen to 0.0000000 USD, the lowest level since October 2021. At 0.0000000 the SHIB price found support from the descending triangle's horizontal trending line, after which it rebounded to 0.00000. This level had just weathered 2 assaults and was facing a third as I was riding. The level might not be able to support a rebound at this time, though, due to data showing a bearish triangle and the dollar's persistent strength. With price strength at 39 and the relative strength index slipping into the oversold area, bears appear to have the upper hand and are well informed to initiate a new leg of decline. Therefore, those who are looking to retreat may witness a decline towards $0.0000000 if the bears succeed in breaking through the $0.000000096 barrier. With losses of 18% already in the bag, a further drop to $0.0000000 would result in losses of 22%. Here is where the local bottle would likely take shape, providing an opportunity for late investors to purchase Shiba Inus or add to their existing stock. In a favorable development, the SHIB price could get a boost if the moving average convergence divergence MACD indicator keeps rising towards the positive region and macroeconomic themes become less prominent. If this happens, the $0.00010 level might be regained and the bulls could swiftly reach the $0.0001063 level, which is just below the 50-day simple moving average SMA. This would simply mean that Tuesday's losses have been covered. A break above the $0.000001208 level would indicate the beginning of an uptrend and signal the commencement of another leg higher. Into the blocks on-chain data reaffirm the significance of regaining the $0.0000010 psychological milestone. According to its OIO map model, around 1.42 trillion. Hence, this group of investors who might be seeking to improve their odds of making a profit will back any endeavors to raise SHIB over this level. The price of Shiba Inus has risen by 53% in the past week, while SHIB has maintained a 10% increase during the previous 30 days. This cryptocurrency is currently trading at a level similar to where SHIB was before the massive Luna crypto meltdown in early May. Joining the rest of the market in its precipitous decline, SHIB saw a string of consecutive crashes during this bear market. But SHIB has been performing better than most other cryptocurrencies of its size in the last week, bucking the broader crypto trends. When looking at the top 100 cryptocurrencies by performance over the previous week, SHIB ranks 9th. But among the top 15 cryptocurrencies, it has performed the best. Most closely matching SHIB's price behavior is Dogecoin's 36% recovery. The trading volume of Shiba Inus has also been affected by this growing trend. During its first surge, SHIB's 24-hour volume reached $2 billion. Even though it's down to about $800 million now, that's a 150% gain from a week ago. Bone, another cryptocurrency in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, is selling at 41% higher than Leash, which is 46% higher. With the Shiba Inu team nearing completion of the Shibarium Layer 2 beta and eventual launch, the price movement of the cryptocurrency has arrived, coinciding with major whale activity in the broader crypto recovery. Instead of creating extra tokens to use with the upcoming release of Shibarium Layer 2, the current vote in the Shiba Inu Doggy DAO is to stop giving out bones. Since Bone is Shibarium's gas token, the ship's crew proposed many ways to reward validators with bones, but the decision ultimately rested with Doggy DAO. At this point, it appears that the vote has already been decided. A staggering 98% of votes are in support of ending awards. The Shiba Group elaborated on the role of Bone in the Shibarium layer in a blog article about bone farming. Apparently, validators get paid in bone for all their hard labor. We need to secure 20 million bones in order to create Shibarium and set aside bone for validator positions. 20 million bones is around $8.7 million USD right now. Out of a total supply of 250 million bone, this accounts for around 8%. But this is not something that the ship's crew takes lightly. So, in order to reserve these 20 million bones, they had to go to the DAO for advice. There were just two options left. A possible first step would have been to halt bone farming at 230 million and reserve the rest for Shibarium validators. The second choice, B, would add 20 million to the bone cap, bringing the total to 270 million, which might then be used for Shibarium. The voting session for the DAO members began on June 19th, and it appears that they will choose option A, which is to stop the bone Shiba swap payouts for Shibarium. Approximately 29 million bone voters have chosen option A after 2 days of voting. On the other hand, option B has just 557,000 bone in support. This results in a 982 vote in favor of option A, making it the unambiguous victor. A small number of holders have drawn parallels between the overminting idea and government's powers to generate money. Within Bitcoin communities, such inflationary methods are very contentious. In fact, several people were so troubled by the bone contract that they questioned its viability and the overminting procedure. In the same way that Shib burns seek to diminish the Shiba supply, others perceive a reduced supply as beneficial for their own holdings in Bone's prize. Bone rewards on Shibarium will soon come to an end if the referendum is approved. At present, there are 225 million bone in circulation, which is only 5 million short of the specified limit. Rather than waiting 2 years as was originally planned, the Shiba team has stated that this might happen in the next weeks. Launched on April 8th this year, Shib Burn is a Shiba Inu currency burn gateway. The Shib token burn was detected by the gateway. The coins that were transmitted to inactive wallet addresses were deemed burned and withdrawn from circulation forever. The developers of Ryoshi's Vision token collaborated on the portal's development, and owners of burning Shib would receive 0.49% of all Ryoshi transactions. With the destruction of 218.84 million Shiba Inu coins, the burn rate increased by 93.95% overnight. Everyone has burned and removed all of the 410.37 trillion Shiba Inu coins from circulation. After a rough start to 2022, analysts say the cryptocurrency markets have entered a bear market. Any market that loses more than 20% in a single year is said to be in a bear market. An encouraging sign for the future is the fact that Shiba Inu is attracting thousands of new owners. The current overall number of SHIB holders is 1,176,325, according to whale data. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.